Heidi ho, my friends. Okay, this is what I am talking about right here. This is the coyote getting her groove back. This isn't based on anybody else's pin or some color scheme I saw somewhere. This all came from all my favorite craft supplies being thrown together on the same object. You've got felt, you've got denim. Can you see the denim back there? We've got glitter, we've got beads, we've got embroidery, we've got sequins. This is, of everything I've made so far, this is the most me, and I just love it. I got some marvelous glitters down there. See, some wonderful blended glitters. Then just a plain silver glitter and a clear glitter that looks like snow. And then this bubblegum glitter, which I adore. Let's see here. This is the stuff that looks like snow. I also got this in an extra fine glitter as well. Now, I'm going to trudge on over to the drying area. You can see what else I've been doing. I need to unplug my glue gun, but before I do that, okay, so here's my little snowman, and he's got a little bit of snow on his hat, little dusting of snow on his heart, and if you turn him over, he's got that lovely little line of silver glitter covering up the stitches. Okay, this is done now. I mean, it's got all the elements on it that I wanted it to have. This guy here doesn't have his snowy glitter yet, but I'm going to go ahead and put some of that on. This snowy glitter got put on with Eileen's tacky glue, but I think I'm going to use my glue gun and experiment. See how the glue gun picks up that snowy glitter. Then down here you see all of my little flowers that have been glittered around the edges. That's what I used to make this guy right here. So yeah, I'm having a lot of fun in my very, very tiny world. Grant and I went, obviously we had to go pick up glitter, so I went to Joanne's for that. Then we went over to Trader Joe's. I was not feeling well. I didn't go in to find dinner, but now I'm hungry, so I need to get something, eat something. Oh, here's the rest of my blended, yeah. This is the rest of my blended glitters. I just love these colors. So here we go. Here we go. This finally says the coyote. Talk to you guys later. Bye.